In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the slam ball exercise with a medicine ball. Now, firstly, before you start, what I want you to ensure is you're using a medicine ball that's not going to bounce. So you've got bouncy medicine balls and you've got medicine balls just like this one, where when you drop it, it's going to stay on the floor. The last thing you want to do is use a bouncy medicine ball, come up into your movement, start to slam it down, because ultimately where's it going to go? It's going to hit you back up in the face. So a little disclaimer for anyone doing medicine ball slams to start off with. Now, firstly, this is a fantastic movement to put into high intensity training, circuit training, or of course for power and strength if you're doing this with heavier med balls. Now, the first thing I want you to do is you're going to bring yourself into a squat position. It's really important that we bend with the knees. You're going to come into a deep squat, keep the chest up, and what I want you to do is pick up the weight with a nice straight position with your arms, come up into a bicep curl. From there, you're then going to come up into a position where you've done a shoulder press. At this point, we're bracing the core and glutes as hard as we can, and I want you to put your whole body into the slam. So when I do this fast, you'll be able to see a fast repetition of how we can put all those movements together. But let's go through it slow. So squat position, arms straight, pick up the ball, chest up, bicep curl into overhead press. At this point, I'm really squeezing my core and glutes, and I bring my whole body weight into slamming the ball down. You'll notice I'm not releasing the ball at this point. I'm coming all the way down, so I want that ball to land where my feet are, so I can then quickly go into the next repetition without having to reach forward or without the ball being miles away from my next repetition. Now I'm going to do a couple of quick repetitions. I'll do front on and side on so you can see. And from front onto the camera. Like so. That is how to do a medicine ball slam ball, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.